I'm not saying it's wrong. It's his choice.
Yeah.
Umjita uyarenda ne, and by the quality of the furniture that is there, everything, and looking at the impahla as they're expensive.
Yeah.
Drive Porsche. Why unga focus on family before you focus on lifestyle? Because I feel like if the reason people are saying why utengi Porsche unga tenganga headboard,
yeah,
is because there are things that are more important. So well, cool.
My king.
How are you?
I'm good, my king. How are you?
Good, good.
Yes, sir.
Social media is not a nice place, bro. Social
not.
media.
No, it's not.
You know, I think so far YouTube is the safest.
Yeah.
It's better.
Yeah.
TikTok these days is toxic.
Facebook.
Facebook.
Even worse.
Twitter takes number one.
I don't even have a tweet. Twitter ngithanda. I've
Yo.
never loved it. Twitter.
I've
never loved it.
No, don't brand the whole drink.
Yes, this
Yo.
group song.
It's bad. Yo, imagine the whole country ganging up against you.
Yeah. Ibuka yonke into yenza, but nakhona I think
if you are wrong, it's worse because you're gonna feel bad and you're not gonna have anyone to support you.
no one's gonna support you. No one is gonna support you. Once there is proof that you are wrong, so everyone would be against you. No matter what you say, everyone would be against you.
So guys, when I talk about this this guy called Thabiso.
Paul. Thabiso Paul.
You can bring my drink before I get Thabiso Paul.
Muntu Precious.
Muntu Precious. So this guy is a gynecologist. Sevenza ngabafazi.
Yini kanti gynecologist? What does a gynecologist do? Me, I want to know. I don't know. What does a gynecologist do?
What I know go to sevenza nginto the lower part of a woman.
Ila abafaka izandla.
Yeah. A gynecologist is a doctor who specializes in women's reproductive health. Menstrual health problems, pregnancy and fertility, reproductive organs. So, usebenza phansi. There is this post in it's from 22 August 2022. This guy posted this picture.
This is the guy.
Zama doctors.
Yeah.
Bega a comment. Baton dog. Ke boka e ditrata tša meno. Ke nyaka go bušetsa meno a ka morago. I want to take my teeth back. Thabiso Paul ke Thabiso or ke Tsebiso?
Ke Thabiso. Inga we drink yakho my king lab.
Diniela fela. Thabiso Paul are nna ke gynecologist sesi. Tše dingwe I get it. I'm only a gynecologist. The others I don't do. Gore basically ke check if one traveled so many kilometers. And jwalo. And then ra lokisha mathata ao. Hey.
Yes. So now my king, I think let's dive in kulendaba, the one that is trending now. Because it's all over my social media. I think everyone is talking about it. I think everyone has seen it.
How it started the whole thing.
Yeah, I think everyone has their opinion because it's out there. Which is for me, it was a mistake from the beginning. I understand, but ke masingabantu asifani to take your private life and put it on social media. That was their first mistake. That's how they wanted to do it. That's how they felt they should do it. But now,
where it started.
Yeah.
It started with the girlfriend, Precious, posting Thabiso Paul is I'm a poster. She was asking him worrying. So many girlfriends, stuff like that. I poster the receipt, I poster online.
Yeah.
The messages to where Thabiso was talking with the girls.
So the findings.
Yes. So the girl had access to this guy's phone. I posted all the receipts. I bula dipeke tsa gagwe, o na le go tetse di-condom. And then I posted all the receipts online and everyone went crazy about it.
Yeah.
The guy is currently trending right now, all the platforms.
It's all over. It's all over.
Apparently, this guy allegedly had over 100 girlfriends. So, Mara, it makes sense. He's a gynecologist. Where did he meet them? So Baba fixa mahala.
Angeke abafixe mahhala.
So, hey,
akusisibhedlela sakhe. He's
So-
only a doctor.
so this matter, the way is escalated. Girlfriend started calling side chicks.
One by one.
Started calling side chicks. Side chicks ayaphendula. Kuma voice note ayaphendula. The girl even saying there is notes that I wanted to post, Mara. The family doesn't
He's
agree.
stopping her, yes, from posting.
This one is a mess. It's a mess, guys.
Because I even saw this one where Uthabis or Paul was talking to this girl. This guy, Buffett.
You are still checking.
Oh, Nance.
Okay.
Yeah, it's there. He sent a message to this girl, Uguti, please send me
I feel like your
location.
mic is hiding your face. Yeah. that's better.
Already. I-first chat nje usebiza le ntombazane ngobhebi uthi baby please send me your location. Intombazane ithi I'm at work. Who are you? Arikithabiso, the guy you just gave in number zakho. Athi untombazane yo where? Uthabiso athi Johannesburg. So intombazane iyabuza ukuthi where in Johannesburg? CBD or Sandton? Athi Uthabiso in Newtown. Ugirl athi oh okay. Uthabiso athi I would love to take you out for lunch. Ugirl so uyabuza ukuthi that side or this side engikuyona mina. Uthabiso what around here. So this guy, evidence it's there. Every noma engathini, noma engazama ukuphika yena, but everything is out there. Every evidence we can see it.
Yes.
Ukuthi kahle untanga is a humanizer. Udila nje nabantu besifazane.
Do you think it's because of a Porsche? Yeah, because also this guy bought a Porsche. He bought a Porsche.
So mina lento iyangishaya because these people are married. Bashadile, banabantwana. Right? So even if I know as amajita we have our own mistakes that we cannot take away. We have our own mistakes. Kunala ishiblika khona, but if umuntu wesilisa mfethu oshadile unomfazi unabantwana unomuzi angisho ukuthi angeke uzugange, but ekugangeni kwakho ungakwenzi obvious ukuthi uyaganga. Uyabona, respect the person that you have.
Yes, 100%.
Ukungcola okwenzayo kwenzele ngaphandle angakuboni and make sure they don't find out. Wena mangabe usukwenza publicly awusana ndaba awusalala endlini because uprecious ukhala ngokuthi sekuphela 4 days ungabuyi endlini. Awufoni awucheck abantwana ukuthi banjani. Unefamily awufoni to check abantwana ukuthi banjani ba right yini mina mfazi wakho ngi right yini. The only thing that I'm getting ama phone call, anonymous call from my girlfriends wakho. You understand? And mina when I respond to them bayangithuka. Bangitshela ukuthi akube yimina o control indoda yami. Ngoba uwena who's going out there to approach these women. But now these women are coming back to me bayangithuka. Bangitshela yonke into abafuna ukungitshela yona, which is wrong.
Yeah.
You understand? So bafethu untanga yabona, if there was no evidence, there was no pictures, there was no voice notes, there was no messages. Besomkhulumela untanga sithi mhlamba hayi usister udlala ngaye. But now kune evidence bafethu. Nama-condom. Iring yakhe usisi uyithola esikhwameni, iring kaThabiso akayifakanga iring ifakwe esikhwameni.
You know
So
the other
kuningi.
thing, I saw the woman saying that the guy just bought clothes.
Yes, she
Eh,
was unpacking.
Abonisa ama-receipt ukuthi uthenge impahla ezidurwayo
Ah.
and abantwana impahla zabo like sakudala and vaya ku-private school. So he's not even buying clothes for the kids. And the other thing, you must prioritize your family first before you go outside. Before you spend outside, before you please your side chicks, can you at least do something at
Make sure
home
ukuthi
for your
endlini
kids?
ba-right, mfethu. Make sure ukuthi
Especially
ba-right
if you have
endlini.
kids, you have a family.
Yeah.
That depends on you.
Abantwana i-responsibility mfethu enzima kabi.
And the other thing, ne, yabo le nto yokuthi you are putting your life out there like how they did now, ne.
Mhm.
Right now,
It's biting them back.
abantu bazi ukuthi une-Porsche, ne.
They know.
Abantu angithi sibapostile yonke into from the house.
Yes.
Abantu bathi why Thabiso was buying a Porsche angana headboard. Bathi ba criticize no girl, bathi girl, you are buying expensive shoes, Chanel, your wardrobe injani.
Yeah.
Angithi this way they put issues up on top of the wardrobe.
Yes.
And also, girl, there is a proof of payment, 85,000 that Thabiso sent long ago. She posted it on social media. People are going there to comment now saying that, you see, now you're talking bad about him, but you were breaking the time he was giving you money. Like the Moga Chegala 80, thank you. It was the girl saying it was
Precious, isn't it?
7 April 2024. Thank you so much, my husband Thabiso Paul, for the support you have given me. I appreciate. And then 35,000. So people are now starting to go on those things and comment. And I think the girl was just in love. Or maybe
Izinto besahamba kahle,
or
yes.
maybe things were happening there, but they were not too bad.
Yeah.
You know, when someone starts cheating and they get too comfortable with it,
Yeah.
they will disrespect you and they won't hide it. I saw another post that was deleted. I mean, that was from Thabiso's account before it get deactivated. I think it deactivated his account.
Yeah.
He said to Guti, even the wife knew Guti he has someone. It's not something new. So do you see how people normalize cheating? When especially when the relationship is toxic. You might find that the girl knew Guti there's a side chick until she gave up. Maybe she's been fighting that battle.
But now, Indaba, okay, we don't know. She's been fighting it for the longest of time, right? But now, into engishayayo, this guy has more than 100 side chicks. More than 100. You understand? So, sister, mfethu, Precious, you can't fight all of them.
You can't.
You cannot fight all of them. If, for the fact you are fighting them
Emotionally,
it will
kill
mfethu,
you.
it's gonna drain you. Kuzokubulala wena. It's gonna kill you. Lokho nje kukodwa. And another thing, ukuthi these ladies, these girls, akubona who came to your husband. Ubaba wakwakho uPaul yena lo uThabiso uyena ohambile osukela lamantombazana abantu owathembisa lezi zinto ayithembisa zona, whether wethembisa imali obathembisa ukuya eDubai obathembisa ukuyapi, walala nabo. Yes, walala nabo washiya wena endlini wahamba olala nalamantombazane. Wena isidingo sokuthi uthatha ama-phone number ufonele lamantombazane,
and post it online.
it's not gonna help you. It's not gonna help you. Into ezoyenza nje ukuthi thina sibone inhlobo yempilo eniyiphilayo ngoba thina ku social media sibuka yonke into. You guys are showing us now ukuthi this is how you guys are living endlini.
Mina net Dlamini ne. I'm not I'm not being judgmental ne. But umjida ne being, I mean, like looking at his lifestyle ne.
Yeah.
Umjida was too invested in his lifestyle because I'm not saying it's wrong. It's his choice.
Yeah.
Umjida uyarenda ne. And by the quality of the furniture that is there, everything, and looking at the impahla as they're expensive.
Yeah.
Drive a Porsche. Why unga focus on family before you focus on lifestyle? Because I feel like if the reason people are saying why uthenga Porsche unga thenga a headboard,
Yeah.
is because there are things that are more important
Than
than
iPorsche. Yeah.
imoto.
Yeah.
And again, Umtida, why are you spending money outside when you can't even buy your kids' clothes?
Yabona that
man.
one it's even worse. It's even worse. Yabona mangabe umuntu wesilisa mfethu or even umuntu wesifazane. Once you have umntwana or abantwana, I'm not saying it's over ngawe, but there are certain things that you consider. There are certain things that
Priorities.
there are certain things that you stop doing. Yabona, before you do them, you think about abantwana bakho.
Yeah.
You have kids now. Unabantwana mfethu, you have a wife. So whatever, akusafani noma usingilwe one. Ubamba i-10,000 uyakhona ukuthenga iteki le-5,000. Yabona usasesingilwe one, but once waba nabantwana nomfazi, you cannot do that again. You cannot do that anymore. Wabamba imali engaka, the first thing efika emqondweni wakho ukuthi endlini bazodlani, abantwana bami are they secured ukuthi ngakhona ukuthenga into kanje. Kunezinto that you deprive yourself from. Uzincishe lezo zinto because of a situation that you are facing endlini ukuthi I'm making sure ukuthi abantwana bami nomfazi wami ba right. You understand? And indaba yokuthi umjida, yabona that is being disrespectful kulo muntu wesifazane. As much as usisi elela amalungule wakhe, elela indoda yakhe, but untanga naye wrong, totally wrong mfethu. Lento yenzayo is to show ukuthi you don't care about umfazi wakho. Awumhloniphi lo muntu onaye endlini, because you cannot mfethu do the things that you have done. Uphume ngaphandle awusafihli. That is the worst part. Awusafihli, so wenza bukhoma, so wenza ebudlangalaleni. Wonke umuntu useyabona ukuthi wena uhamba ulala nayo yonke intombazane, naso sonke isiketi ohlangana naso uhamba ulala naso. Sithini isithunzi somfazi wakhe endlini? Uthini ngalomuntu omshiya endlini? Uthini ngabantwana bakho? It's even worse now because impilo yenu it's out there ku social media. Everyone knows ukuthi kwenzakalani. Everyone sees ukuthi kwenzakalani. Thabiso wrong. Yeah, wrong lento yenza ungahloniphi umuntu wesifazane lokho okwenzile. Ungamnakekeli umuntu wesifazane, because if izinto zakho buzenza kuyifihla, lo muntu wesifazane angathola ukuthi wenzani, she was going to be protected from into enozenza ebhedayo. But now usukwenza phambi kwamehlo akhe, phambi kwamehlo abantwana bakho, uthi bakhule bathini, because I don't think abantwana abancane laba sebekhulile. Yabo, mangabe uhamba 4 days ungabuye endlini bathini, bathi ubaba ukuphi? Even if kuthiwa ubaba usemsebenzini,
Izodamage abantwana
you
lento.
cannot be gone for 4 days. Ungafoni ungenzi lutho knowing well ukuthi ushiya umfazi nabantwana endlini. It's wrong.
What do they eat, bro? How do they get to school?
To call and know ukuthi how are you guys faring? Yabona? Wrong, Ntanga wrong, Thabiso, Paul wrong, ubhuti wami wrong. Ukuba i-gynecologist leyo yenzayo, ukuba sezingeni lokulona, it does not give you a right to humiliate umuntu wesifazane. Humiliate lo sisi abathu Precious. She's being attacked now by other ladies because of when.
Yeah.
It's wrong.
And I mean, I feel like also Umfazine, Precious, she was supposed to protect the kids because exposing the husband out there, it causes fights over social media because now everyone gets involved.
Yes.
There are people that will defend Taviso, there are people that will defend Precious.
Yes.
Now that whole fight, it makes things even worse because now the kids will be aware of it. And now I'm sure the kids are aware that their parents are
They
fighting.
know what's going on.
Because
Yes.
it's trending. They're supposed to protect the kids from that whole thing. And again, Precious, turn the attention too much because manje seka poster ithombe zabo banning their pictures together. Some things you don't have to post. Like don't post everything. Right now she's busy promoting her YouTube channel. When you go to the YouTube channel, is her and the husband getting married? Why is she not deleting those videos if she's
Izinto
still
seziyabheda kanje.
you understand? So yabo ukuthi manje she's utilizing this thing to get following now. I mean, that's how I see it. When you go to a YouTube channel, it's a picture of their wedding. I mean, the video of their wedding and other videos together, a lot of them. Now she's promoting that channel for people to go watch.
Funa ama-subscribers.
So yabo ukuthi manje seka monetize the whole thing. So now I'm starting to feel like she's doing it for wrong reason. And people are praising her. Kuti. She's getting followers now on Facebook. She's getting a lot of likes and a lot of followers. I'm not saying what Tabiso did is right. Mara, the way Precious is handling the situation she's
now,
creating more damage. I believe that if she wanted to fix things, maybe she should have used alternative ways to fix it. Other people are saying that she tried to talk with the elders, it failed. But now, creating a war on social media won't make peace.
Yeah, it would create more.
14 hours. My family is stopping me from posting screenshots of him and his side chicks sending each other nudes. And those girls are here on Facebook. Yeah. Corey, Porsche will make you do things. Good night.
It's not because of Porsche. Let's put the car aside. It's not because of Porsche. It's not because of the Porsche. Umuntu, that's who he is. That's how he is. Nje. I guess beki Porsche esidini. Singathi yonke lento yenzeka because of Porsche. Noma ngabe thi ube ngenayo Porsche. This guy wena Thabiso wena. Uyayihumanize wena. Usebenzisa abantu besifazane ngendlela errong. And manje it's hurting umuntu wesifazane oshade naye. It's gonna hurt abantwana bakho. Lento yenzayo, it's wrong. Nakhona if that's why I always say ukuthi mina, Buffett, it's not everything eyenzakala empilweni yakho that people have to know about. It's not everything. Because especially when it comes to relationships, do not I'm not saying ungapost umuntu wakho, ungamjabuleli umuntu wakho, don't let people know ukuthi usunomuntu, but Buffett, know that njengoba usipostela usikhombisa ukuthi nijabule kangakanani ni right empilweni, nanoma izinto sezibheda, you guys are still gonna post and sizokubona lokho, and we are going to talk about it. We are going to have say on what you guys would be going through ngaleso sikhathi leso. Sizoba nama comment, sizoba nama views wethu, because you guys nithathe private life yo nayithatha nayibeka edlangalaleni, nayibeka ebantwini, natshela thina ukuthi yonke into ihamba nanoma sekuhamba kabi. You guys nizoposta and sizokhuluma ngakho. Ku wrong, it's not everything you do that people must know about. Kunezinye izinto ongamelanga uyitshela abantu. Like taking a relationship yakho ifaka ku social media, it's wrong. That is private. Akube private, akuhlale kanjalo. Why nikufake ebantwini? Because yonke lento create ukuthi nina nithatha relationship yenu nayifake kuma social media. Nathatha ifamily yenu nayifake kuma social media. So now everyone now is talking about it. Everyone is talking about it. Wonke umuntu senesay kulento eyenzakalayo, which is wrong. Anicabangela abantwana, you guys, the kids that you have, anicabangela abantwana eninabo. Kwenzakalani kubona? Esikoleni abasingenayo manje bathini? Abazali benu, they are all over social media. Bayalwa, ubaba wakho isifebe, ubaba wakho ulala namantombazana, ubaba wakho ubaba wenu nina unama side chica are more than 100. What does that do emntwaneni omncane? What does it do enganeni yakho? So it's wrong. Yekani ukuposta ngempilo zenu ku social media, yekani.
So Gift here says, Gift on Facebook, Gift Klagore. So those ladies saw that the guy sent his wife a lot of money and started entertaining him. Ladies, stop sharing everything on social media.
Amen.
The lady also, why into the quick send the mali with screenshot or poster ku social media?
Yebo.
For what?
Postela bani.
Poster ukuthi amanye amantombazana babona ukuthi indoda yakho isendela mali, ikusendela imali. So nabo bayakhalela.
Bazomlanda.
So this is also another perspective. And I think also it goes back to don't share everything on social media.
Don't.
Ubonisa abantu ukuthi wena bakuphatha kahle. Nabo bazofuna ukuphathiwa kahle.
Yes, by the same man.
By the same man. So okay, Mobare, all men cheat. Kgalele Tsang shouldn't have posted her husband on social media like this. If she was a good wife, she should have called elders. This issue would have been solved peacefully. She needs to apologize ASAP like a good wife and cook a healthy meal for a man and stop this nonsense. And then someone says, post Jerry said chicks wadiwona. Do you know the trauma she's going through? Do you know the pain of being cheated by a person you love? Leave the lady alone.
Yabo what I'm saying, good, everyone has an opinion manje. Everyone has a say manje. Now remember, these guys have been together for 11 years. 11 years.
Then about Galelan did call the elders, precious, and tried to explain the situation. And they did sit with him down, showed him that show him that what he's doing is wrong and hating his wife and the kids. But he still continued to cheat. So please do not say that nonsense about my sister-in-law before having all
the
facts.
guys ubafazini. Lo bafethu ungahlonipha umuntu wesifazane omthandayo, that's number 1. Ungahlonipha umuntu wesifazane omshadile, that's number 2. Ungahlonipha umuntu wesifazane ohlala naye endlini, that's number 3. Ungahloniphi abantwana that you have with that wife of yours, that is number 4. Bafethu, irrespect. Irrespect, you got. But Thabiso, you did not respect your family yakho. You did not respect your family yakho. For the fact ukuthi uyi-gynecologist, when uhamba ngePorsche unemali, you use that to your advantage ukuthi you have a right yokuthi uphumele ngaphandle. Over 100 side chicks, over 100. Umbhebheni wena.
Manje
Ay,
Parwa group post a Porsche ne ekufana naleya yamchita. Abantu in the comments bathi that it come with 100 side chicks.
Yabo,
Imagine.
yabo. Yeah. Igama lika Precious usulidicelele nje phansi, usulimoshile, usiswa abantu. Yes, naye uyalwa ngendlela zakhe ezi-wrong. I'm not saying she's wrong, but if yonke lento wena Thabiso awuyenzanga, ubengeke azayenze yonke lento ayenzayo usiswa abantu.
Hayi.
Ubengeke azayenze. Disrespectile, awumhloniphanga, umoshe idignity yakhe. As umuntu wesifazane.
This guy has a head boy. Why am I? So I don't know if you know how to read Spady.
Hayi Spady lesi sakho.
But yo mara, I didn't wanna. Okay, let me read this ne. But ki China KB. Brothers o tsamaya ka Porsche. Mara o robala mbeteng wa skepe. Ha. Ka tjubete ya bo my friend ya go nkga ka leak. Abana le ironing board. Ba ina la godimo ga mpete wa skepe. My guys, you see, this is what I'm talking about.
Exactly.
Don't post your life on social media.
Do not.
You know, I'm not done
ever.
reading this thing, but already this is yo.
Don't ever make that mistake of posting your love life on social media. Yegani.
Bare ka mora ya gona o ka re rumong. Mara motho ba re o rekisha dinyatsi o rekela dinyatsi dipolo is. But o rekela like he buys his girlfriend, the side chick, the polo guy cars. But listening o ka re le batila o drop. Ha. O drop ya fair price.
Tina sokuhleka nje.
But you buy girls the istropes. Yo.
Nimoshile. Bafethu, you guys need to be told iqiniso. I know when you speak the truth abantu bayakuzonda. Mokhuluma iqiniso abantu abalifuna iqiniso. Bakubuka njengomuntu omubi. The mistake that you guys made was to take your love life, private life, nifake la ku social media. That's why we're here today. Because if you did not do that, we wouldn't be here today.
Guys, let's be honest. About this thing, social media is not good. Let's avoid it, please. Avoid it as much as you can. They will talk about your kitten.
Yeah.
It will ruin your mood. It will affect your mental health.
But it's still important. That is for say drop. Imagine.
But it's still important. Ngathi umnyango wa drop was fair price.
Bafethu,
guys,
you
come
brought
on.
this on yourselves. You guys, you brought this on yourselves.
Guys, no. We can do better.
This is social media. This is social media.
We can do better.
Social media is for everyone. But be careful what you post.
Once your life is out there.
Khohlwa. Anything you do, isizoyibona when we're going to talk about it.
I mean, I want to as black brothers, we can do better. Bona, to show what black people have money. You buy girls the istropes, you wear expensive clothes, you have expensive car, mara, the quality of life that you are living doesn't match with that.
Exactly. Doesn't even come close.
We don't know Uguti, what is it that is wrong that the girl did, because we don't really know Uguti, what did the girl do to Taviso.
My king, even if the girl did something, even if Precious did something, that does not give you the right to go outside and have side chicks or hundreds.
Yeah, true.
It doesn't give you the right.
100 is too much.
It's too much.
It's too much.
That is disrespectful. Lo
100.
ukuyisa isithunzi somuntu wesifazane. Yabona the dignity of lo sisi le uyimoshile by doing that nje alone. 100
over 100.
Over 100 noma uthi umbhebheni mfana ngeke.
So babhebhe bonke kwenzakalani?
Uba vele ubabhebhe bonke. Over 100 in fact ubahlabe bonke angeke yabona lo Thabiso lo ubadle bonke labo sisi laba ubadle bonke and ubengabadli mahala bekunezinto abenzela bona abenzela zona.
Obvious.
Sida ubhaye ukuthengela imoto, ukurentela apartment, ukuyisa kwaGucci ukuthengela izimpahla, wenza kodwa kunento ebeyenza. Ngoba ni ubungeke uvula imilenze yakho mahala. And another thing, sis Precious, as much as ngi blame umjida, but I also blame you. I also blame you. Siswami, these side chicks are over 100.
You can't fight all of them.
You can't, you cannot.
You can't.
You don't have that energy yokulwa nawo wonke umuntu. You cannot. You cannot. Umuntu indoda yakho ikumoshela igama lakho, yawisa isithunzi sakho phansi. Ya nje yasidicilela phansi isithunzi sakho. Esakho nabantwana bakho. It's like I don't know if I should say it by like ukuthi abantwana angakabavezi. Asibabonanga abantwana benu. We only hearing ukuthi kunabantwana. Bafethu.
Guys,
stop posting.
If you are posting umuntu wakho, stop now. Stop now.
Mangabusa acabanga ngakho, stop it ungakwenzi. Don't do it.
And you know what I mean, eh? There is something that I don't like that is caused by lento abona lento yokuthi masolwa nomuntu sofuna uposta amanuzi lento ayikho right.
Yeah.
Senimoshela thina.
Nimoshela thina.
Amantombazana ngeke basendele izinto.
Ngeke.
Because nina
posta ko Facebook ko Twitter.
That's why amantombazana melanga sendela abafana amanuzi. Mele sendela amadoda.
Sendela amadoda.
Not abafana.
Hayi umfana omncane.
Abafana abakwazi ukukhipha ama secrets. Abakwazi ukuhandle. They get hurt easily.
Khona manje ku Precious lezi ntathu eziveza lapha. Sibona ama viewers. Kunama viewers amaningi. So labo sisibelo bemshanga ama viewers. Thiwa bamba nanti ibele, bamba nanti kuku, bamba kanje uzizwa kanjani namhlanje?
Guys,
wena umbhebhe.
Yekanga ukusendala abafana amanuzi. Sendela abantu ba right because manje bazomoshela thina.
Bafethu.
Yabo.
Yabona on a serious note mlungu wami. On a serious note siyekela ukujoka nokudlala. Guys please let's learn to respect each other.
Yeah, please.
Let's learn Machita, let's learn. It's
Respect
either whether une girlfriend, whether you have a wife, learn to respect that person.
Please.
Learn to protect that person.
Please.
Ngiyanicela abafethu ayikabi.
Do you know people can commit suicide because of such?
Yes. Because of these things.
Because now the whole world is against it's against you.
Mfethu. And it was caused by umjida. It was caused by umjida. Okay, asazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni behind doors, but sikhuluma ngento thina esesiyibonayo.
Yeah, umjida was out of order.
Yeah, the evidence that is right in front of our eyes. Yona sikhuluma ngayo.
Yabona whoever's gonna settle with that guy. Uzokhala.
Zizobuya too much.
Whoever's gonna settle with that guy.
Yeah, zizobuya too much.
That one is a serial cheater phela.
100 over 100. Precious, you have to think twice.
Yazi ne. Mina I thought I know abantu bachithayo. Loya akadlale. That is not cheating. I don't know what to call it.
Kufana nalo the guy owakuphi wase the guy that trended
yeah, the guy from overseas.
Not that one African casting. Nyambona lo khona this one oyibamba amabele kanje. Lo wenza kanje lo wase Congo DRC.
Lo light skin. Abasha amakhazini
abafaki njengawe. Lo wenza kanje.
Lo abasha amakhazini abantu abangani bakhe
bafethu
hey lawyer
bafethu ahlonipheni abantu besifazana
yeah lawyer I thought is
abaqontro
the legend khani
ah
kunokuthambisa
kanti khona bothabiso
hayi
Thabisos are coming. Thabisos are here. Bafethu, let's learn to respect abantu besifazane. Abantu besifazane, they are going through a lot as it is.
they're going through a lot my
Yabona?
brother
They are going through a lot.
they don't deserve this
So for
man.
you to put umuntu wesifazane in this situation,
Hali.
kunzima mfethu. Siyazi ukuthi uyindoda. Usebenza kahle, uyi-gynecologist, udla imali, you are able to buy whatever you want to buy.
abantu
and do whatever you
bazomthemba
want to
kanjani
do.
emsebenzini man
Angeke besamthemba.
So ukuthi
Okay.
uyabafingara msi
It's the same thing ebesikhuluma ngayo sisengale officeini singakezi la. Indaba the first time ngitshela ukuthi i-gynecologist this guy. Ngabuza kuphinda ngathi i-gynecologist yini wathi uphinda yilaba abafaka izandla la ebantwini besifazane. Ngathi mina noma ukuthi umuntu wesifazane wami kumele aye lapha ngizongena naye phakathi. So it will come to that manje. Whoever is going to take umuntu wakhe wesifazane to this guy kuThabiso ayomenza i-gynecologist leyo afaka izandla la ongena naye officeini phakathi ufika uhlale kanje bebe la etafuleni ayenza into ayenza umbhekile ngoba the next thing uzomnika inamba zakhe useyamfonela sefuna ukuya lunchini sekuhamba out sininini useyamudla mdlela umuntu wakho
so kusho criminal allegedly or whatever amase abafaka isandla sho ukuthi yena wenza professional
hayi maybe ubeyenza professionally before not now
hayi
not now unokusifaka isandla sehambisa umuntu phakathi wenze kanje
you can't trust a gynecologist now
ngeke
phinda mase abantu benu baya kuma
Angeke.
gynecologist
hamba
go
naye.
with them
Hamba naye as much as you
Hayi.
trust umuntu wakho but I'll
amanye
trust
ama
the person.
hospitals they won't allow you to go in
Okay sibuyele emumva nomuntu wakho nomuntu wami sibuyele emumva
or there must be another female that go in with her.
hey kube nomuntu wesifazane okhona ke phakathi if
Hayi.
you don't want me to go
Some
in
men are stupid. They are doing this thing. They are doing
Yeah.
these courses for that nonsense.
kusasa sobizwa ngezinja kuthiwa amadoda izinja ngenxa
Benjamin,
yabantu abafana nabo
some of these boys, they are doing these courses for that
hey
nonsense.
bakhona basesikoleni manje abafuna
For-
ukuba ama-gynecologist
Because bafuna le access
Yeah.
leya.
bofaka isandla lapha ebantwini besifazane asala umsebenzi but yenza umsebenzi wakho professionally so yenza umsebenzi wakho
Hi man, I've never seen that kind of a cheater. My hi.
yabona this one is worse it's worse Thabiso hayi mfana kithi umoshile
Hi.
Yeah, yini la benenza ukuthi sikhulunywe kabi njengamadoda asikisi kuthiwa kusasa amadoda izinja kuthiwa never trust a man abantu abafana nani it's wrong mfethu
Hi.
God when God blesses you akasho ukuthi iphuma ngaphandle yokwenza noma yini oyithandayo because clearly God has blessed you nemali usebenza kahle unomfazi unabantwana what more do you want what more do you want if you wanted to cheat why ungabanga na 1 or 2 far from where you stay because you have money you have everything far from where you stay phumuyeleyo yokwenza amanyala akho wenza uqede ubuye uzendlini ebantwaneni bakho nomfazi wakho
Hi. It's very disappointing this thing.
yabo manje ngoba lo siselwa kanje abanye sebezomhlala la kuthiwa hey wena pressure uyahlanya hey uyagula hey ini bekhohle ukuthi akazenzanga wenziwe ile ndoda le ahlala nayo nani ma side chicks hey bafethu hayi
Check.
kunzima
This is them in 2015. Imagine they've been building these guys.
bese ngo Legacy Benz bafethu kunzima
Yeah, ne.
Thabiso mfana kithi
I feel like the girl was a good girl until she changed.
my king umuntu wesifazana akavela ashintshe nje out of nowhere akavela ashintshe nje
Yeah, I mean,
kunento osukuyenzile
yeah, I mean the guy was a good guy until he changed.
ngoba sengena imali
Yeah, or maybe because
Ususebenza
of
kahle.
umsebenzi wakhe bathola amantombazana une-Porsche. Mara abantu bablame ama-Porsche bacabanga ukuthi
no
utshentshe i-Porsche.
it's not the Porsche that's who he is
That's who he is.
yeah that's who he is it's not the Porsche let's not blame it on the car simoto
That guy that whole family needs psychologist right now.
kahle beyohlala phansi emasofeni kanje kukhuluma
Yeah.
because what this guy has
They're
done.
also ruining image of their family.
Yeah.
Like, what kind of cheating is that? That is not. That is some. Weird.
No, ukudlulela. Lokho akusiwo ukucheat, ukudlulela. Mhlambe walala nentombazana emncwabeni. Kwaqala lapho, yeah.
What do you mean?
Ezinye izinto zenze endaweni wrong. Ihlale nawe leyo nto leyo. Yeah, walala nentombazana emncwabeni maybe. Wadlulela.
Oh, so mangala lentombazana emncwabeni ukuzenzakala something.
Wenza izinto ezibhedayo la ngamelanga uzenze khona. Izohlala nawe leyo nto idlule nawe. Wenza into wrong la ngamelanga uyenze khona. So hamba uyenza yonke indawo ke manje. So hamba uyenza yonke indawo. Awuzi ukuphelela nje wona lo msebenzi owenzayo ngalamanyalo owenzile.
Hayi, I'm so disappointed.
Mina ngumuntu oqashile bengizokuxosha. Mosha igama le company bengizokuxosha.
Oh, yelmosha shame.
Mosha igama lenkampani bengizokuxosha straight. Bathathe nalo license yakho leyo. Yeah, bathathe ne license. Uzovuleka la emqondweni.
Ubani unika ama-gynecology is a bad image.
Yeah. Yabona khona mase kuzothiwa angeke sisathu thabiswa sesothi ama-gynecologist wonke. Ama-gynecologist wonke enza kanje.
Hayi,
moshela abanye abantwana igama. So whoever is in school studying indaba yokuba i-gynecologist, let this be a lesson. Let it be a lesson ukuthi you're not studying ukhambe ulala namantombazane wonke.
Hey. So alcool.
Ngwami.
Ngicabanga ukuthi sekwanele.
We've said our piece.
Yeah.
We have said our mind.
Some people rest.
Yeah. But all in all, let's respect abantu besifazane.
Yeah, true.
Women are going through a lot.
Yeah.
Women are suffering. So please, let's not add ukusafara kwabo ngezinye inkinga. Let's if you have a woman in your life, respect and protect. Doesn't matter.
Please.
Protect umuntu wesifazane ophila naye.
Please. At all costs, protect
Please. Ayikabi bafethu. With that being said, thank you so much. Siyabonga.
From me and the team and everyone, nabophinda nabosimpiwe. Siyabonga ngani zakwethu. Sicela ni subscribe. Siyazi ukuthi some of you guys are watching this but you have not subscribed yet.
Yes, please.
Siyanicela subscribe guys. Anikhokhe kumahala. Please, we wanna reach that million, guys. We wanna reach that million. Subscribe kani kumahala. And also, if you haven't joined our membership, please do. We need that support so that we can keep growing. Yes, thank you so much for watching till here. We love you so much. Dango is the place to be.